Hey my unapologetic gang, welcome back to my channel. If you guys would like to see how I was able to do this low do with Marley braid hair on my TWA using the Cream of Nature hair snot, please stay tuned. Love you guys.
Tell me what is your type, tell me what do you like, tell me what you wear in your crown.
Okay, so there's been a whole lot of talk in the natural hair community about the Cream of Nature hair snot, right? So I went on a hunt looking for this. I went to all of my natural hair, not natural hair stores, all my beauty supply stores in my area, and I couldn't find it. So I went to Amazon and I ordered it on Amazon. I think I paid about $10 with it. I think it was free shipping. I paid about $10 for it, $10 and some change. So I've had it for about a few weeks now to be able to use it, and I'm going to give you guys a demo and review on this. I'm going to have to do a demo on it and do the review after the demo. There's a lot to be said about this, so stay tuned. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm getting ready to go out tonight. So I'm working so what I normally do with my hair since I've been doing my buns is I normally just I'll wash my hair, let it halfway dry, blow dry my hair so I can have more length to it, and then proceed with the styling. But I'm not going to do that today. We are going to see.
You don't even know the answer, so girl, just keep on playing. You've lost and you're lost, now you're looking for love.
Let's pick my part. I normally go with a side.
These niggas is gaming. Do you hear what I'm saying? Why you let these good ass niggas? Why you let these good ass niggas? Love you to the sunset. Don't know where to get it wet. These damn when it goes down. These damn gonna stick around. Love you to the sunset. Don't know where to get it wet. Ain't there when it goes down. Ain't never gonna stick around. Why you let these good ass niggas love you?
And I will work with the side first. Now, you have, it's a squeeze tool. That is the consistency. It reminds me of Gorilla Snot. I think Gorilla Snot is a little bit more sticky. Like you have to hold it. Yeah, just like that. But I'll work on my edges first. And smooth down. And just keep working through until I get the desired look I want.
I'm seeing a change in you now. That look on your face, it says you've run out of place. It says that you're being chased at your town. Tell me what is your type, tell me what do you like, tell me what you wear in your crown. And where's your glow, does anyone know? Pick yourself up off the ground. Tell me what is your type, tell me what do you like. You don't even know the answer, so girl, just keep on playing. You've lost and you're lost, now you're looking for love. You don't even know the answer, you're looking for love. These niggas is gaming. Do you hear what I'm saying? Why you let these good ass niggas love you, love you, love you? Why you let these good ass niggas love you? Love you to the sunset. Don't know where to get it wet. Ain't there when it goes down. Ain't never gonna stick around. Love you to the sunset. Don't know where to get it wet. Ain't there when it goes down. Ain't never gonna stick around. Seeing a change in you now. You come out in high heels, those
this to this side.
So what
This
do
is
they know? I'm
how
watching
I
a
get my hair to lay
merry-go-round.
down. I go through
What is
sections
your type?
by
Tell me
section.
what do you like?
Sometimes, but
You don't
for the
even know
sake of the
the
video and
answer,
the
so girl,
tutorial,
just keep on
I'm
playing.
gonna show.
You've lost and you're lost, now you're looking
I make sure I get my hands
for love.
first.
You don't even know the answer, you're looking for love.
Get
These
my
niggas is
hands.
gaming. Do you hear what I'm saying? Why you let these good ass niggas? Why you let these good ass niggas? Love you to the sunset. Don't know where to get it wet. Ain't there when it goes down. Ain't there gonna stick around. Love you to the sunset. Don't know where to get it wet. Ain't there when it goes down. Ain't there gonna stick around. Why you let these
So-
good ass niggas? Love you, love you, these niggas. Why
And I
you
go-
let these good ass niggas?
Baby,
These good ass niggas. Love you to the sunset. Don't know when to get it wet. Ain't there when it goes down. Ain't never gonna stick around. Love you to the sunset. Don't know when to get it wet.
that's not
Ain't there
working.
when it goes
It
down.
normally work on
Ain't never gonna stick
my blow
around.
dry hair. So what I'm going to do is actually go through the sections for it. And lay my heels, just go through the sections and lay it down section by section. So I'm trying to get so you guys can see.
I'm seeing a change in you now.
The front of my hair is
Look on your face, it
but
says you've run
this
out
middle
of
part of my
place.
hair
It
is
says
very
that you're
stubborn.
being chased
So
at
I have
your
to lay
town.
it down.
Tell me what is your type? Tell me what do you like? Tell me what you wearing your crown. And where is your glow? Does anyone know? Pick yourself up off the ground. Tell me what is your type? Tell me what do you like? You don't even know the answer, so girl, just keep on playing. You've lost and you're lost, now you're looking for love. You don't even know the answer, you're looking for love. These niggas is gaming. Do you hear what I'm saying?
I take about that much out.
Why you let these good ass niggas love you, love you, love you, love you? Why you let these good ass niggas love you, love you? Love you to the
And
sunset.
this will actually
Don't
help
know
your
when to get it
hair
wet. Ain't there
to
when
lay
it goes
down
down.
better.
Ain't never gonna stick around. Love you to the sunset. Don't know when to get it wet. Ain't there when it goes down. Ain't never gonna stick around. See it's changing you now. You come out in high heels, no matter how you feel. Tell me what's your deal.
I want you guys to see something real
Tell
quick.
me what is your type? Tell me what do you like? You don't have to be anyone's clown. Still you put on a show. So what do they know? I'm watching a merry-go-round. Tell me what is your type? Tell me what do you like? You don't even know the answer, so
So I'm
girl,
just gonna
just
finish
keep
the
on
rest of the sections and I'm
playing. You've
gonna
lost and
come back
you're
to you
lost,
guys.
now you're
Now I'm
looking
back.
for love. You don't even know the answer, you're
But your
looking
hair
for
should be
love. These
laid
niggas
down.
is gaming. Do you hear what I'm saying? Why you let these good ass niggas
Force this ponytail.
Why you let these good ass niggas
They're gonna force this struggle tail.
Don't wanna get it wet. Ain't there when it goes down. These niggas stick around. Love you to the sunset. Don't know when to get it wet. Ain't there when it goes
Now
down.
what I do recommend
Ain't
guys
stick
to do,
around.
I think what you shouldn't do,
Why
do not
you
allow
let these
your hair
good ass
you get to the
niggas
best.
love you?
Do not let allow the hair that
These
to get wet by the gel.
good ass niggas.
It's gonna be harder to get your hair into the ponytail. this is how I really need to fix that. Okay, guys, hold on one second. So now, after you force your struggle tail, it should look like this. It should look like that. And then what I'm going to do is put a band, not a bandana, a scarf on, continue, get ready, come back with the finished look, and give y'all my thoughts. Yeah, and give y'all my thoughts on this product. Now, I've just done my makeup. My hair isn't fully dry yet, but it's dry for the most part. So now what we're going to do is take our Marley braid hair. This is a Marley braid. This is some type of Cuban thing that my beauty supply store had, and they did not have Marley braid, and I was in dire need of it. So, yeah. What you're going to do is attach this. Okay, wait, I should show y'all how I got this on first. You're going to take a scrunchie and wrap it around the loop of it. I already have it twisted up, that's all it's done. And you're going to take it, put it through the loop, and it should look like this. Now that this hair, since this hair is like thicker than the regular Marley hair, what I am going to do is twist it a little bit tighter, hold on to this while I'm wrapping it around the hair. So I go over first and continue twisting it. Bigger your butt is going to be. I do not want a gigantic bun. Guys, my camera died, but all you have to do is wrap your hair around, pin your hair, and that should be it. And this will be the finished look. And I realized after coming home and doing my hair for the first time that this is like a few shades off from my hair. I don't care that much to make a big fuss about it. We're gonna make do with what we got. Now we're gonna go into the review to tell you guys my thoughts on the Creme of Nature hair snot. Stay tuned. For the sake of this video, I used it alone, but what I would normally do is apply my Eco Styler first and then apply this on top to maintain the hold. Because I have such a tight curl and my curl, like my hair fizzes up a whole lot, Eco Styler alone never keeps my hair down. So I'll normally do Eco Styler on the bottom and do Gorilla Snot over it. I use this to replace the Gorilla Snot since I've had it to make the review. Now, to use this alone, I would say no. I would not use this alone unless you're using it on your edges. But you still have to be careful with that because you can't comb it out. This is something you cannot comb out. You have to wash out, or you're going to pull all of your hair out. So if I would rate, let's see, it says it smooths hair, controls edges, tames frizz, flake-free hold, and hold twist outs and updos. It smooths hair, it does control the edges, completely tames frizz, not flake-free at all. It is not flake-free at all. And I haven't used it on twist outs, but it is good for the updos for this do what I use. So I would say if you're a TWA girl like me and you want to have like a cute sleek look, I would say this would be good. But if you do not, it's not a must. I wouldn't say that this is a must. This isn't something you need to have in your hair collection at all. Not at all. So if you ask me, I would give this thing a 5. I would give it a 5 because I love Cream of Nature. I was so excited when I saw Cream of Nature came out with this, but I was so disappointed. I was like, yes, I'm not gonna need no Eco-Styler no more. I'm not gonna need Gorilla Snot no more. I'm not gonna need anything. Now, what I would say is, if you use this just specifically for your edges are going to be laid. But for anything else, I wouldn't use it for. Anything else, like, this is something I would reach for. Like, it was something, if my Gorilla Snot runs out at an untimely manner and I don't have time to run out to the store and get another one, I would reach for this. This would be like a last resort type of gel. Well, not even gel, it's not. But I do not recommend using this as a wash and go gel. It is not a gel, it is a snot. Snot, people, snot. So, yeah, that's all I have to say about this. You can see it doesn't come to, I have one more thing to say. For you to use it continually, it doesn't come with that much product. Depending on your hair, if your hair is thick like mine, you're going to use half the bottle within two times within using it. You're going to use half the bottle already. So take all that in consideration if you're thinking about getting this. But that's all I have to say about that. And that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoy. I am getting ready to graduate within 2 months. September 22nd, I will be walking across the stage. So that is the only reason why everything getting hectic. Everything is coming down to the wire. So that is the only reason why I haven't been putting out videos as much as I would like to. So I'm happy for the people who stick. No. Okay, guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe and become a part of the Unapologetic gang. And after you subscribe, I will see you guys in the next video. Okay? So don't forget to be fabulous and be unapologetic, babies. Love you guys.